How to add multiple accounts on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually add multiple accounts on TikTok. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually add multiple accounts on TikTok, all you have to do is first of all just go ahead and then actually launch the TikTok application over here. So just go ahead and launch TikTok. Once you launch the TikTok app, you will basically see this type of interface where you just need to tap the profile icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the bottom right, all you need to do is just tap your profile. You can see now here, let's say I have an account logged in and then I want to log into some other account without logging out of this account, which means I just want to only switch my account. For that, I have to add multiple accounts, and to do this, if you look at the very top, you'll see the drop down menu right next to your name. Just tap on this and then here you'll be able to see a list of all the accounts that are added to your TikTok app. Now if you want to add more, just tap on the add account button here and then you can simply add another account by using Facebook, Google, Twitter, or email, phone number, or username. Then once you've done that, then it should be able to log you in, and next time whenever you want to switch account, you can just tap on the profile icon, select the other account that you've added, and you can repeat the process for up to many accounts as you wish. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.